Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about bipolar disorder, often just referred to as bipolar. It's a mental health condition that causes extreme shifts in your mood, energy, and activity levels. These shifts can take you from feeling extremely happy and energized to deeply sad and hopeless and everything in between. These shifts are known as mood episodes. Bipolar disorder is a lifelong condition that can affect a person's relationships, career, and overall well-being. However, with the right treatment and support, people with bipolar disorder can lead fulfilling lives. Before we dive into the symptoms, it's important to note that bipolar disorder is a complex condition that requires professional diagnosis and treatment. The information provided here is not intended to be a substitute for mental health services. So let's talk about the symptoms now. During a manic or hypomanic episode, a person may experience an elevated mood, increased energy and activity levels, a decreased need for sleep, racing thoughts, and rapid speech. They may also have an inflated sense of self-esteem or grandiosity, as well as impulsivity and poor judgment. Additionally, a person may be easily distracted and jump from one idea to another rapidly. During this time, they may also be highly goal-directed and take on many projects, but often fail to follow through. On the other hand, during a depressive episode, a person may experience a depressed mood, persistent sadness, hopelessness, or emptiness. They may also have a loss of interest or pleasure in activities they once enjoyed, as well as fatigue or loss of energy. A person may also have difficulty concentrating or making decisions, changes in sleep patterns, such as insomnia or sleeping too much, and changes in appetite and weight. Additionally, they may feel worthless or experience excessive guilt and have suicidal thoughts or behaviors. It's also important to note that some people experience a mixed episode, where they have symptoms of both mania and depression at the same time. This can include feeling agitated, restless, or highly energetic, while also feeling hopeless or depressed. It can also include racing thoughts combined with negative, self-critical thinking. During a manic or hypomanic episode, a person may be more prone to taking risks and engaging in impulsive actions. They may spend large amounts of money, have risky sexual behavior, or make other decisions that they will later regret. This is due to their impaired judgment and decision-making abilities during these episodes. Additionally, during a depressive episode, a person may become so overwhelmed with their negative emotions that they may harm themselves. Therefore, it's important to seek professional help if you or someone you know is experiencing symptoms of bipolar disorder. There are different types of bipolar disorder, including bipolar I, bipolar II, and cyclothymic disorder. Each type has varying degrees of severity and pattern of mood swings. A diagnosis can help individuals manage their condition more effectively and access the necessary treatment and support. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others who might find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more mental health content.